Wait. Wait. I can't do it. Hello, oh, 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 oh. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today we are visited by the one and only Niamh. And we're here with Niamh, and today we are going to be trying NIKKIETutorials video. Now, the only problem I have with this was that the palette that I wanted to use, the video where she uses that palette, she doesn't do the base makeup. So we're going to use her most recent video when she done her base makeup, which is the one on New Year's
Priming.
Eve.
I want to be a true Instagram legend, so I'm going to be priming using the Farsali Unicorn Essence.
Using the Born to Glow.
Because it runs
by NYX,
like
because
crazy.
not going to lie, we don't have them kind of things. Don't laugh. I know what I'm doing. I'm professional. I meant to make this part of your face glow. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. That's where she put it.
Mattify my T-zone area. I'm going to go in with this right
T-zone.
here. This is by Cover
But
Effects.
we don't have these things because these things are like £40.
I'm using the professional by Benefit.
I forgot it was that close. Where's the T-zone?
Watch out, watch out.
My T-zone. Because you know I like my oil to be controlled there.
Before this video, I did get Niamh, like, we watched like just like what product she used and she just picked out whatever she saw.
So I probably don't have the right brushes. Or this is probably wrong.
Oh, you want to see how she puts it on?
No, these things. I got Too Faced, Born This Way, medium to full coverage in nude.
Why have you put one blob? You guys know who NIKKIETutorials is, and she put on half a blob.
Vanilla.
I'll do that. Oh my god. Hi guys, we're gonna do eyebrows. This is the foundation. We're going to do eyebrows but on speed because she doesn't do them in the video. Okay, so now we're doing the concealer, but I kind of have gone between her videos just to see. So there's one where it's ombre, glitter, cut crease, Too Faced with NIKKIETutorials collection, and she basically used the Born This Way foundation and she used the Tarte Shape Tape, which I have, so we've basically done this one, if I'm being honest. And I haven't seen my eyebrows, so
They look horrendous. That's all I'm
Going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in First, the Tarte. I'm really going to highlight with this as well because this is a very glam look.
all your eyelashes are going white. I thought someone would open your drawer.
I need to use this one quickly. I'm using the Mac.
That's why I put a towel down.
The Mac.
Oh, I thought you were like, I don't know.
No, I was trying to know what it was called.
Anyway.
I don't. Yeah, good.
Now, I'm gonna bronze. Next to nothing powder in medium dark. Brush. Doing it. Bronzing, bronzing, bronzing.
And then she said bronze, read what that says.
The hula benefit, and I'm using a brush.
And if you're actually having a joke, it still has a plastic cover on it. What face should I pull? No, do that face. Okay.
So focusing on the face now. I'm gonna bronze. Next to nothing powder in medium dark. Brush. Doing it. Bronzing, bronzing, bronzing.
How do I blend out?
Let me zoom in.
Contouring while we're at it. A nice glowy blush on those apples. I'm working it back.
Look, turn it over the word. Yep. Come on.
Well, you didn't tell me there was words on it.
Come on. She's using the contour brush.
There's some weird sounds on there. Why is everything going in the same place? I put the contour on top of it. Oh. Oh, don't put your head on. This one starts from like here and goes like down, and then this one goes like down there. So you're like this.
Now we're watching the 3502 palette, so open it.
Mortify.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so the first color I'm gonna go in with is tan. So I start by packing it on that outer corner here. And I really start building up definition.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Why did she go out here? This is our first step.
Now going in with one of the most iconic shades of this palette, Fire. And applying Fire to the outer third, kind of meeting up with that brown and smoking it into the lid area.
What can you do?
Climbing up the ladder.
Yeah, your eye need to feel soft. And kind of like I put it up here.
Why did you go?
Because when you went back, it went up.
No, I swear you did it before.
I don't know.
Okay, you ready?
No. Do I get to blend it?
You should be blending it now.
Oh, can I use a different brush? So now we're going in with Rustic, and this is a very pigmented copper shade.
They're the words of it.
Lid blending into Fire.
I feel like your nose is like in the way. Open your eye. Not done. Now we're buffing out all the edges.
Oh, my knees.
On a Luxie 237 brush, I'm now gonna buff out those edges because it's looking a little sharp.
Ah! Stop it! this bit's really scaring me at the end because it's like here and then it goes up there. I need to sort that out.
Chestnut. If you know this whole thing, you've basically, if I didn't help you, you've only used 2 brushes.
Grabbing a Smashbox full coverage shadow brush and going back in with Chestnut and defining the lower lash line and making it smoky, baby.
Uh-oh. I look up. Scary things, guys. Scary is scared.
So I'm going in with the black of the palette. This one is called Whiz, darkening that outer corner up more. Now let me tell you, this black is very intense, so go little by little because go little by little, trust me.
Hers is so dark, mine isn't. I mean, you know, like the way I've done it. Okay, man, you're trying to get me to get winkles. What?
I've like ruined the whole thing. Can you like blend? Mia's not doing anything.
So you're trying to just put him. Are you, Niamh? I'm actually being deadly serious.
I can't get that black. Why did I even do it?
Because she told you to. Oh my god, Niamh, it actually doesn't look that bad.
Going in with one of my absolute all-time favorite Holy Girl highlighter shadows. This is Festive Gold by Melchior Cosmetics, and this is going on my inner corners, and this is going to transform everything.
I like that bit.
Well, now she's doing lashes. So this is the close-up of the eyes. They actually aren't that bad considering you've never done eyeshadow like this, have you?
No.
In fact, she's never done eyeshadow. You've done like one colour.
Yeah, but that's probably been like that blue for dance. Look at her right eyebrow. I don't know what.
So yeah, she's gonna. Oh my god, she's gonna do my highlight. Then we're done here. Go, Niamh, go! I'm going. How that be pumping? Done. Woo! Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Goodbye! Oh my. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Can't get over this eyebrow.